Let's discuss breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding. According to World Health Organization, exclusive breastfeeding should happen for 6 months. In other words, you need to breastfeed your baby without any other food or water for 6 good months. And that is known as exclusive breastfeeding. And also, according to World Health Organization, you need to continue breastfeeding your baby even after introducing solid food till 2 years of age of your baby and beyond. But I want to focus right now more on exclusive breastfeeding because many of you wonder whether it's necessary to actually breastfeed your baby exclusively without adding other foods and water, and whether there are benefits of that. And that is why I want to talk about it, because there are a lot of health benefits of exclusive breastfeeding. The health benefits include the first milk that comes out of your breast after childbirth is known as colostrum. Colostrum is the first milk. It's thick, yellowish in color, and it contains more protein and less sugar. It protects your newborn's immature digestive tract, and it helps it to develop very well. Also, colostrum contains antibodies that your baby needs to be able to fight off viruses and bacteria, especially immunoglobulin A. And therefore, it's important to take note of this. That yellowish fluid that comes out of your breast, you have to feed it to your baby because it confers immunity to your baby. You know, your baby does not have any immunity after birth. Your baby relies on you for everything. And therefore, you need to breastfeed your baby exclusively. Antibodies. Your breast milk contains a load of antibodies that protects your baby against viruses and infections and diseases such as middle ear infections, respiratory tract infection, gut infection, colds and infections, intestinal tissue damage, bowel disease, sudden infant death syndrome, and childhood leukemia. These are the things, the diseases that your baby is protected against when you breastfeed your baby exclusively. Then, your baby also benefits from the breast milk by way of having healthy weight gain. In other words, the baby is protected from childhood obesity. And how does that happen? There is gut bacteria developed in the baby to affect fat storage in your baby. Also, a hormone known as leptin is also there to regulate appetite and fat storage. And the baby also has a way of self-regulating breast milk intake. For that reason, the baby is not going to be too fat. The normal weight is regulated by exclusively breastfeeding your baby. And then, research has shown that breastfed babies are very smart. There are differences in brain development between breastfed babies and formula-fed babies. And also, they have higher intelligence scores. So with that, you can understand that you need to breastfeed your baby exclusively so that all these benefits I've discussed, your baby will derive all of them and grow very well.